Kyrtong ka TMC na Jowai uba Andrew Shulai hakani ka arterik rempang 8,000 arpulai ula Kynnoh ba ka NPP ka datang ka team B ka BJP ba ula chair ba ka NPP ka layas nok tilang bat ka BJP haw 8,000 khatra hapedeng ka jingjur ki jingsha thom board jong ki Kristan na du usnem 8,000 khatsaw haba ka BJP ka wan ha ka sarkar pedeng ulong ba ka NPP ka day ka bamla ban shania bat ki paj ba ka ni ka kinti kin ai ka jingkala da ka budget ya ka TMC.
We have come across news report where NPP leaders are claiming that TMC is more interested in taking on BJP than the development of Meghalaya. This only proves one thing. Opposition parties have conceded that TMC is the only party which has the courage to take BJP head-on after repeatedly ignored Meghalaya and its needs. We are also delighted to see that the political parties have designated spokesperson only to counter TMC. It shows that they are doing something right, that this has rattled the ruling parties. In addition, Trinamool Congress is the only party that's exposing the truth about BJP. It's anti-Christian. Since 2014, the attack on Christian communities is skyrocketed. So if NPP was really people-centric, they would not have been allies with the BJP. With a united cadre, Meghalaya TMC will continue to work earnestly to fulfill its promise, keeping the interests of the people as its topmost priority. These leaders, now attacking TMC for being anti-BJP, had become silent spectators to BJP divisive agenda soon after they jumped ship from the Congress and joined NPP. The leaders are working overtime to hide the fact that NPP and BJP together formed the MDA government that has taken the state back by years. NPP is simply the B team of the BJP. Since NPP is hand in glove with the BJP and INC stays in slumber, someone had to expose BJP and its hollow claim of bringing development to the northeast. We are proud that Meghalaya TMC has become the party that is voicing the concern of the people. Those attacking TMC's 10 pledges, Meghalaya should answer that, where is your report card? The truth is that NPP failed to accomplish provide basic necessities to the people, so they could not come out with the report cards. The revolutionary schemes introduced by Meghalaya TMC, the My Card, the V Card, are receiving huge support from different sections of society. To mock those schemes is to mock the needs of those people. NPP is opportunistic and unreliable. Meghalaya will vote for change this time. Trinamool Congress is the only party to voice the concern of the people.